this is how to work the left leaning decrease called a slip slip knit, or an SSK. So we're going to turn these 2 stitches into 1 stitch, like a fun magic act. We're going to do this by slipping each stitch to the right hand needle, but we're going to slip them knitwise. So we're not just slipping them like we would for an I-cord, that would be purlwise. Instead, you're going to insert your right hand needle as if you're going to knit the stitch, so from the front to the back, and you're going to slip that over to your right hand needle. You'll do that again for this second stitch. And now we're basically going to knit these 2 stitches together on the right hand needle, like so. You're going to take your left hand needle and insert it from left to right through the first stitch, and then again through the second stitch. Oh, I got a little thread there. So one more time, we just slip those 2 stitches over, and we're going to take our left hand needle and insert from left to right through the first stitch, and then again left to right through the second stitch, so that you now have 2 stitches in that kind of crosshair. And we're going to wrap the yarn around the right hand needle and pull up to make that into 1 stitch. Let's do it just one more time. So slip as if to knit, slip as if to knit. You can kind of push those 2 stitches to the tip of your needle so that in one fell swoop you can insert your needle into those 2 stitches. And this way you're looking at this kind of cross hatch that your left needle's on the front, your right needle's in the back, and you're gonna just wrap your yarn around and pull up. So you're turning 2 stitches into 2 with a decrease that leans to the left.